Hey YouTube, Joe here. Another beautiful day in New Jersey. Unfortunately, Joe's a little under the weather, but that doesn't stop the knife parade. Just got a bunch of knives in the mail, and the very first one I busted out, I was like, man, I got to show this to these guys right away. Pretty cool knife. Hopefully, I'm doing all this from memory, so this is just a quick preview. This is the Kizer Dukes Flipper by Matt Cucchiara. Very cool looking knife. Don't ask me the KI yada yada number. I'll have all that in the description. Just a quick look around. Want to get you guys to get excited about it. Just what I know from memory. Titanium scales, S35 VN. CPM S35 steel. Geez, I'm screwing up. I do have a little bit of a cold, so bear with me. Titanium scale, I think I said that. 4.6 ounces, collaboration with a gentleman named Matt Cucchiara and Kizer. Very light. I know 4.6 is light anyway, but just feels extremely light. Flips really nicely. Titanium Pocketclip. I got a few of them coming, and literally minutes ago, I just opened up my mail. I saw this one in there, and it was the first one open. I haven't even opened up the other ones yet. So I just wanted to show it to you really quick. Very nice. Back spacer. A little hard to see for me because I'm looking through the viewfinder, and it's a lot of sun, a lot of very sunny day today, May 20th, 2016 in New Jersey. But that doesn't stop me. Sickness, sun, glare doesn't stop me from sharing with my YouTube friends. So we'll get more down and deep into this one in the next week or so. Right now, this is just a loaner. I think it goes for pretty much everywhere for like $220. And as you know, that crosses my my limit. So more than likely, this is not going to be a purchase. So just a quick look. Some more. Let me get it from the top. So the little bit of the stats I have, I'll put in the description. And like I said, we'll dive into this one some more in the future. So there you have it. The Kizer Dukes Flipper by a collaboration from Matt Cucchiara and Kizer. Very cool looking knife. Take care, everyone. Greetings from New Jersey. Be well.
Thanks for watching my video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe.